Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. Sony may change the Xperia design for the first time in years. The new Sony Xperia 10 Mark-7 redesign has been revealed. According to the latest available data, the new Sony Xperia 10 could see mid-range repositioning. The network has revealed Sony Xperia 10 new camera design change, smartphone characteristics, and launching details. Let's dive into the full video. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. Sony is known for being extremely conservative when it comes to smartphone design. Over the years, the Japanese tech giant has maintained a consistent look across its Xperia lineup, making it difficult for casual users to distinguish one generation from another. However, the upcoming Sony Xperia 10 may finally break this tradition, with a noticeable new design change. According to new leaked images, spotted in a case listing on Amazon, the new upcoming Xperia 10 will feature a redesigned rear camera module. Unlike its predecessor, the Xperia 10 Mark VI, which had its dual camera setup arranged vertically, the new model is expected to adopt a horizontal camera layout. While this may seem like a small change compared to other brands' bold redesigns, it is a significant shift for Sony, which has rarely strayed from its design formula. The leak is particularly interesting because the original Xperia 10 from 2019 was the last internationally available Sony smartphone to feature a horizontal camera island. This suggests that Sony might be revisiting past design elements, while giving the Xperia 10 7th a fresh, updated identity. It is also speculation that Sony may be preparing to launch the Xperia 10 Mark 7 soon. As of now, specifications for the Xperia 10 7 remain under wraps. However, industry watchers believe that Sony may continue its focus on offering a balanced mid-range experience, likely powered by a Snapdragon chipset, and featuring its signature tall display aspect ratio. It is expected that the new Sony Xperia 10 will feature a 6.1-inch FHD+ OLED display, a new updated Snapdragon processor, 8 GB of RAM, and 256 GB of storage, expandable via microSD-XC. It has a 48-megapixel plus 8-megapixel dual rear camera system, an 8-megapixel front camera, and a 5000 mAh battery. The phone runs the Android 15 operating system, offers 5G connectivity, and is water and dust resistant. As per a report by MSN News, the new Sony Xperia 10 Mark 7 will launch in October this year, bringing Sony fans a modest but refreshing design upgrade, and it will cost around $500. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.